Good day, everyone. We are the Group 1. Imagine a child who eats rice every day, but still cannot see properly at night. Not because there is no food, but because the food lacks the nutrients their body needs. This is the reality for many children, suffering from vitamin A deficiency. Today, we will talk about golden rice and nutritional biotechnology using the science, technology, and society, or TS perspective. Golden rice is a special type of rice that was created using genetic engineering. It was made to help solve vitamin A deficiency, which is a serious health problem, especially for children. This condition can cause poor vision and even blindness, and it can weaken the immune system. In STS, we believe that technology should help people live better lives. This is called human flourishing. Golden rice is an example of how science tries to improve not just the moment of food, but also its quality. But technology is not always simple. Even if it has good goal, people may not agree with it. That is why we need to study not only how it works, but also how it affects society, people, and the environment.
Golden rice works by adding a gene that allows the rice to produce beta carotene, which our body turns into vitamin A that makes the rice more nutritious compared to regular rice. The main problem it tries to solve is malnutrition, especially in poor communities where the people depend heavily on rice as their main food. Instead of changing their diets, Golden Rice improved the food and they already eat. In STS, this connects to the ideas of technological solution where the technology is used for solve social problems like hunger and healthy issues. However, like also show some things could black boxing many people in not truly understand how golden rice is made. They only see the result, not the process. Because of this, some people may trust or others may fear. So even if the science is clear, public understanding is still a big challenge.
Golden rice is a good example of interoperability, which means people see the same technology in different ways. Scientists believe golden rice is a breakthrough that can save lives. They focus on its health, benefits, and scientific safety. Farmers, on the other hand, may worry about their independence. They might ask, will we depend on companies for seeds? Will this affect our traditional farming? Environmental groups are also connected. They question if golden rice could affect biodiversity or harm ecosystems in the long run. The government usually supports golden rice because it can reduce malnutrition in the country. These different views shows that technology is not just scientific, it's also social. People's beliefs, experiences, and knowledge shape how they accept or reject it.
Golden rice also raises ethical issues. One important concept is the precautionary principle. This means we should be careful when using new technology if we are not sure about its long-term effect. Some people worry about once we depend on this technology, it may lead to technological lock-in, where we cannot easily go back to the traditional method. There is also the issue of data sovereignty and control. Who controls the seeds? It is the farmers and the government or private companies. This is important because it affects farm fairness and access. Another issue is trust. If people do not trust the government or scientists, they may reject the technology, even if it's safe. So the challenge is not just about safety, but also about ethics, fairness, public trust.
Golden rice is carefully checked through government policies and regulation before it is released. This includes field testing, safety checks, and approval from experts. This shows the importance of governance in technology. Governance helps make sure that new innovations are safe, effective, and beneficial to society. However, rules alone are not enough. There must also be public participation. People should be informed and involved in decision making. The government should also provide clear and honest information to avoid confusion and fear. Global organizations and local agencies must work together to ensure that technology like golden rice are used responsibly. In STS, this is part of responsible innovation where technology is guided not just by profit or science but by social good.
To make golden rice more acceptable and responsible, we suggest a few solutions. First, improve education and awareness so people understand how it works and its benefits. Second, support farmers by giving them the freedom to choose and by protecting their rights. Third, ensure transparency from both the government and developers to build trust. And fourth, make sure that the benefits are accessible to everyone, especially poor communities. In conclusion, golden rice is more than just a scientific invention. It is a social issue that involves health, ethics, environment, and governance. Using this TS perspective, we learn that technology should not only solve problems but also respect people, protect nature, and promote fairness. If guided properly, golden rice